Are you ready for the rough?
Was it 73 here with another TNT cannon review. This one I actually customized, my bad. So, really hope you enjoyed it. I call it the birdshot cannon because you know how a shotgun spreads? Yeah, this one has, I have it set on 2 different kicks so it's spread. Oh god, wrong way. See, over there was where I failed with my TNT, with my nuke cannon. Some people are good at them, I'm not one of those people. See how it spreads? That's my favorite part about it. So for this cannon, you will need several stacks of TNT, several sensors, 1 button, 10 repeaters, I'm pretty sure. We'll see, release a stack of redstone, a building block, water, and some type of slab, and something to cover the water if you're in a snowball like me. So, once you want to get started on, it can be any size, doesn't really matter as long as it's too wide. So, let's just stay right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, then you want to place 3 dispensers, right? 6 dispensers, 3 and 3 on that side. Sorry about my background. My TV was running and I forgot to pause it. Sorry about that. And I'm doing this right. And then you want to come over here. Place 2 4. It will involve 8 slabs. And then you want to come back here. Place a little back, I guess you could say, whatever you want to call it. And then it just does it all the time when there's no block up the water and and if you're wondering what song is in the background, it's Get It Out the Mud by Kevin Gates. Sorry, I'm a burp. Go ahead and fill these with TNT.
Trap booming hard and I'm serving out the window. Burla balled up with a curtain on the window. Face card worth a lot of bands in the hood. Had to lead a dice gang, got a bond out foot. Sunday coming up, pull a card all look. Nothing to the grass, I'm a girl called Run. Bell with the hair, got all y'all shook. Pool hit the line in the drop.
Alright, then you want to place redstone over the top of these. Back here.
Drop no rip and a nigga gon' vouch. Another 4K just stuck
And then you're going to come over here.
Promise I ain't try to swag, I just got a lot of that. Anybody try me, I'ma put them in the body bag. Follow that, copy that. Pounds in the garbage bag. Back in the backyard, leaving in the drumming that. Call 'em back, jump, no falling back. Quicker than I got it in, I done ran out of that.
The more dispensers you have over here, the farther it's going to go. But, you know, 6, pretty far. The other one, I think it is 5 on each side, so 10. And then you want to come behind here. And then you want to like make a little area for the button. Redstone and the button. But you don't want to press it yet. And then you want to come over here. Build 2 or it will connect to that redstone. You don't want that. And right there. You're going to do the same on the other side. Like this. And then you know, really matters on how much of a delay you want. I'll give it about 4. I mean, yeah. So I'll need 4 repeaters. So 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be 8 ticks altogether. I mean, not 8 ticks. It'll be whatever you put it as, but the maximum is 8 ticks, which I do not prefer. See how I do it on different ticks so it'll spread? 1. And so once you fill these with TNT right here, it'll be done. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. And you want to place a stack in each, like so. Well, you can have a little less than a stack, a little more, but I'm only doing a stack because it's the easiest. I'm going to clear my inventory. Alright, like I said, you only need any type of building block to do this. So it doesn't turn into ice and your TNT explodes. So let's test it. See, it spreads. Oh, that was actually pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good for raiding bases. Same as the other cannon, which is way over there. It's a pretty decent raiding cannon, I would say. I've used it on Slabcraft before, and I've actually came up with this cannon. You won't find this on YouTube till now. I came up with it. And yeah, it's called the Birdshot Cannon. And you'll need all of the supplies that I showed you. A building block, something to cover the water if you're in a snow biome, water, dispensers, repeaters, redstone, and TNT, and slabs. I really hope you enjoyed this, guys, by the way. This, like I said many times before, I came up with this type of TNT cannon all by myself. And it just came to me in 5 minutes, and I decided to build it and make a review on it. But I think I've used this type of technique in a raid before. I just don't recall it, but yeah. I've used one similar to this, not this exact type. And if you're wondering why there's no snow right here, it's because this thing failed epically whenever I tried to set it on too many ticks, and it just exploded right here. So yeah, horrible idea. I don't recommend doing it, but please drop a like, comment, and subscribe.